Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to integrate shadow into CSS. Firstly, the box shadow property adds a shadow behind an element like a card, button or image. A right card with a subtle shadow is the result with 5px right and 5px down slightly blurred. You can add multiple shadows separated by commas using this command, and also you can use the inset to create an inner shadow. The text shadow property adds a shadow to text, making it pop or giving a glowing effect. When the result is a heading with a soft dark shadow to make it stand out. Multiple shadows are allowed and you can use lighter colors for a glow effect. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.